My name is.
I'm staying in Sumatera Barat.
You are staying in Sumatra Barat. How do I call you?
What?
How do I call you?
Uh, you can call me Furkan.
Okay, nice to meet you, Mr. Furkan.
Okay, nice to meet you too, Mister.
Okay. Okay, today we are going to continue our lessons. We are going to learn about what did you see at the zoo? What did you see at the zoo? Have
What did
you
you see
mhm,
at the
at
zoo?
the zoo? Okay, have you ever been at the zoo? Have you ever been at the zoo? Mr. Furkan pernah ke zoo?
Ah, yes, pernah.
Yes, kalau pernah,
Yes,
yes, I have.
yes, I have.
Oke, kalau belum pernah, yes,
I
I
went.
haven't. Good. Now let's move to the next slide. Okay, let's review. So we have 4 questions here, and we have 4 options. We have question number 1 up to number 4, and we have option A up to D. Now your job is to answer this. Number 1. What does your daughter look like?
What does your daughter look like? Mm, she is she is young and pretty.
She's young and pretty. Okay, see. What about number 2? Can you read the questions?
What what is Mary's mom wearing? What
Mm,
is what is Mary's what is Mary's mom wearing? She's wearing a white dress.
okay. What about number 3?
Number three, what is your roommate like? Mantel kamar ya, roommate.
Yes, roommate.
What is your roommate like? Uh, he is funny and generous.
She is
She
funny
is
and
funny and generous.
generous. Okay.
Do you like your colleagues? Oh, do you? Yes, I do. They are very
Yes.
friendly.
Good job. Wow, you are making grades. All of your answers are correct, Mr. Furkan. What does
Okay.
your daughter look like? She is young and pretty. What is Mary's mom wearing? She is wearing a white dress. What is your roommate like? He is funny and generous. Do you like your college? Yes, I do. They are very friendly. Okay, now let's move to the next slide. Here it is. Now let's watch a video. So wait a second, I will prepare the video first. Okay.
Okay.
So the video is talking about the zoo anyway. Now, Mr. Furkan, when did you go at the zoo? When did
When
you go
did you
to the
when
zoo?
when did you go to the zoo?
Yes,
Uh, I don't remember.
you don't remember. So it's long time ago.
It's long time because
Where
really
was the where was the zoo? Where was the location?
where
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 was the location?
where was the location? Di mana lokasinya ya?
Yes,
Ah, di
in
the city.
in the city. Is it in Sumatra?
Yes, Sumatra.
Oh, I see. Okay. What animal did you remember?
What animal did you remember? What animal you
What
remember?
when you go to the zoo and then did you see lots of animal, right? Did you see many animals? What
Yes,
animals are
I
they?
can see many animal.
Okay, what are they?
Mm, they are parrots. They
Mm-hmm.
are elephant.
Mm-hmm.
Elephant. They are uh, monkeys.
Monkeys. Mm-hmm. What about tiger? Did you see tiger?
I I never see the tiger. Saya belum pernah lihat tiger di kebun binatang.
Oh,
Cuman yang
what about
viral-viral aja.
flamingo? Did you see flamingo?
Flamingo. What is that?
Flamingo is a bird, kind of bird.
Bird?
Yes, flamingo itu jenis burung. Do you see that? No?
That I
What
don't.
about gorilla?
Gorilla, yes.
Yes. And what about peacock?
Peacock, yeah. I ever see, saya pernah melihatnya.
Oh, and then what about crocodile?
Crocodile, yes.
And last one, panda.
And yes, I
Okay,
ever see.
good. You ever seen that? Okay, now let's move to the next slide. Here is, we have new vocabulary here. Let's repeat after me. Python,
Python,
peacock,
peacock,
gorilla,
gorilla,
panda,
panda,
roar,
roar,
move.
move.
Okay, have you ever seen these animals before? All of these animals? Have you ever seen? Pernah
Yes,
melihatnya?
I
All of them?
ever seen.
Okay, my questions. Are you afraid of Python?
Are you?
Afraid of Python?
Are you afraid of Python? Yes, I am
Okay,
scared.
you scared.
Yes,
Okay, because of what? Because of their size? Size itu ukuran? Because they are so
because,
big, right?
because the Python can be killed.
Oh, okay. What about this? Do you scared or afraid of peacock?
Do you scare of the peacock?
Yes,
I think no.
I think no, because they are.
because the vehicle is pretty.
Oh, because the animals are beautiful. What about this?
Uh,
Gorilla.
Gorilla, a close friend.
What do you mean by close friend?
I'm scared. I'm scared to
Oh,
gorilla.
you are scared of gorilla also. What
I
about
walk
panda?
panda. I like panda.
You like panda. What about this? Roar.
The
Lion or tiger?
lion. I'm scared.
Yes, of course we are scared of that. What about this? Is it cheetah?
Yes, I'm scared
Scared.
too. Hmm.
Okay, you have to run whenever you see this. Python, tiger, cheetah, gorilla, run. Okay, now let's move to the next slide. Here is matching time. Mr. Furkan, can you draw a line? Mr. Furkan bisa gambar garis. We have
Panda.
words and also
Panda.
panda. Okay,
Gorilla.
gorilla. Okay,
Peacock.
peacock.
Python.
Python. Well done. That's great. Okay, your answer all correct. That's great. Wow, you can see that panda, gorilla,
Gorilla.
python, and peacock. Okay,
Peacock.
now let's move to the next slide. Okay, we have a vocabulary here. This vocabulary is about this. Quietly, slowly, beautifully, and loudly.
Loudly.
This is, yes, we call that as an adverb. Adverb of manner. Ini namanya adverb of manner, Mr. Purban.
Adverb of manner.
Of manner, yes.
What
Adverb of
is the
manner
meaning?
itu, what is the meaning? Adverb of manner itu digunakan untuk menjelaskan, to explain about how something is done. Bagaimana sesuatu diselesaikan atau dilakukan. Contoh, you walk slowly. Jadi artinya Mr. Fulcon berjalan dengan pelan. You walk slowly.
Slowly.
Cheetah is running fastly. Oh, kalau di sini quietly. Cheetah is walking quietly. Dia berjalan tanpa suara. Quietly, pelan-pelan dengan tenang. Peacock is walking beautifully. Jadi burung merak itu berjalan dengan cantik, dengan indah. Lion is roaring loudly. Jadi, singa mengaum dengan keras. Nah, yes, kalau adverb of manner ini, Mr. Furkon, kalau ada ly-nya, menambahnya kan tambah ly dari kata slow, jadi slowly, quiet, quietly, beautiful, beautifully, loud, jadi loudly. Nah, ini artinya dengan. Contoh, quietly, dengan tenang. Slow itu kan pelan. Slowly, dengan pelan. Jadi kalau ada ly, kalau ada ly di belakang, itu artinya ditambah dengan.
Dengan lambat gitu ya.
Yes. Contoh, turtle walk slowly. Turtle itu berjalan dengan lambat. Tapi kalau turtle walk slow, kura-kura berjalan lambat. Nah, itu bedanya. Kalau ada ly-nya di belakang, artinya dengan. Okay. Do you have a questions?
Question ya.
No?
Arti adverb of manner apa deh?
Oh, adverb itu artinya kata keterangan kalau manner itu cara. Jadi adverb of manner adalah
Dari cara.
kata keterangan cara. Tapi digunakan untuk menjelaskan bagaimana sesuatu itu diselesaikan. How to explain how something is being done. Bagaimana sesuatu diselesaikan. Contoh, makan. Mr. Furkon eats slowly. Mr. Furkon makan dengan pelan. Mr. Furkon eats fastly. Mr. Furkon makan dengan cepat. Nah, jadi adverb of manner menjelaskan bagaimana kita melakukan sesuatu.
Melakukan sesuatu.
Yes.
Cepat.
Kura-kura dengan cepat, dengan lambat, dengan cantik, dengan keras, dan sebagainya. Oke. Ada lagi?
No question.
No questions. Maybe later. Okay. Now,
your logat such as Jawa ya?
Yes, I'm from Java actually. Are you originally from Sumatra?
Yes, I real Sumatra.
You are real from Sumatra. Okay. And
where parts your Jawa?
which part? Which part? Which part of Java? Is Java?
Which part? Jawa.
Of Java. Java.
Java.
Yes. Which part? Which part of Java? Yes. Is Java. Is Java. Which part of Java is Java? Okay. You are in Sumatra, right?
Yes.
Okay. And you are now in Sumatra?
Yes. I'm today in Sumatra.
Are you working?
Yes. I'm working.
You are working. Okay. You are working in Sumatra also?
What do you mean?
Do you work in Sumatra?
Yes, I do. I work in Sumatra.
You work in Sumatra. So the office is in Sumatra also, which means you don't go anywhere, right? Out of Sumatra, tidak pergi keluar Sumatra ya berarti ya, Mr.
No.
Furkon. Okay. All right, Mr. Furkon. Anyway, now let's move to the next slide. Here is, guess the word.
Yes.
Okay, we have a questions here, number 1 up to number 4. Number 1, it's very long and has no leg. What is that?
Very long and has no legs. I think it's snake.
What is the name of the snake?
Snake.
Is a
no legs. It's python.
It's a python. Yes. What about number 2? It's black and white. It's bamboo.
I guess it's panda.
Panda. Good. What about number 3?
It's a kind of bird and it moves beautifully. What is the meaning? The number 3.
It's kind of bird. It's kind itu jenis.
Ini jenis dari sebuah burung. Dan berpindah dengan cantik gitu.
Yes.
Peacock.
Peacock. Yes, you are right. Number 4.
It looks like a big monkey and it can roar loudly.
What's that?
has a characteristic of monkey and it's a gorilla. It's gorilla.
Yes, it's a gorilla. Okay, wow, you can answer all of the questions. Okay, now let's move to the next slide. Here is Mr. Furkan. You have to fill in the blanks using the given word. We have slowly, quickly, quietly, loudly, and beautifully. Okay, now you can write your answer. You have to read the question number 1 up to number 5 and then choose one of the answer in the box. Okay, let's start with number 1.
The elephants walk 10 meters in 15 minutes. They walk uh, quietly.
Mhm.
Quietly.
Quietly.
Um, eh, slowly.
Oh, do you want to change? Okay,
Slowly.
slowly.
When the peacocks move, everyone thinks they are beautiful. They are moved. Memiliki mereka adalah cantik mereka indah amat beautifully.
Beautifully.
They beautifully. I can hear the roaring every summoning sound of the gorillas from the jungle. They are roaring. They roar uh, loudly. Loudly. Yes. The kangaroos can jump at speed. The kangaroos can jump at speed. Jumping speed of up to 70 kilometers per hour. They jump
They jump.
quickly. I didn't hear any sound. I didn't hear any sound from the pandas until they came close to me. Sampai mereka datang dekat dengan saya ya. They move. Oh ya.
They move.
Slowly ya. The 11. I'm confused.
Between, confused yang di bagian mana?
Nomor 5.
Number 5 with?
Tidak bisa dengar banyak suara dari panda sampai mereka datang. Close to me apa artinya?
Close to me. Dekat. Dekat.
Hmm?
Dekat.
Dekat. Oh, I don't know.
Okay. Okay, now let's check it out together. Number 1. The elephants walk 10 meters in 15 minutes.
Yeah.
They walk slowly. Yes, you are right. Karena 10 meter butuh 15 menit. It's slow, slowly. When the peacock move, everyone thinks they are beautiful.
They are beautiful. Mereka berpindah dengan cantik gitu ya.
I can hear the roaring sounds of the gorillas from the jungle. They roar loudly. Yes, it is. Okay. Quickly. Oh, ditulis dua kali ya slowly-nya ya. Number 4. The kangaroo can jump at speed of up to 70 km per hour. They jump quickly. Yes, quickly. And number 5 is not slowly, Mr. Furkon. I did not hear any sound. Nggak dengar apa-apa, nggak dengar suara from the pandas until they came close to me. Sampai
Quietly.
mereka mendekati. Berarti yang benar adalah
Quietly.
quietly.
Quiet.
Okay, good job. What animal can you hear? Okay, now it's time to watch a video. Okay. What's your answer for number 4?
It's A.
It's a panda. Yes, you are right. Okay, Mr. Furkan, you are doing great. The first is a gorilla, number 2 is a python, number 3 is a peacock, number 4 is a panda. All right, now let's move here. Okay, this is look inside. Look and see. We have 4 pictures here. For example, move plus quietly. Move plus quietly. The pigeon is moving quietly. Now, Mr. Furkan, please make a sentence with this word, walk and beautifully.
Walk. And the peacock is walking beautifully.
Good job. The peacock is walking beautifully. What about panda?
2. Panda slowly move. The panda the panda is moving slowly.
Good job. What about picture number 3?
The gorilla is roaring loudly.
Yes, the gorilla is roaring loudly. Great. Now let's move to the next slide. Here is the grammar. What did subject see at the zoo? For example, a subject show nouns of things animal. Okay, this is the example. What did you see at the zoo? Jadi ini bagaimana kita membuat kalimat tanya diawali dengan menggunakan what. What and then did subjeknya you. What did you see at the zoo? What did you see at the zoo? Jawabannya I saw.
Lampau ya.
Yes,
Past
habis ini saya jelaskan. I saw peacocks or a peacock. Okay. Yes, karena ini pertanyaannya menggunakan past tense, bentuk lampau ditandai dengan did. What did you see at the zoo? Nah, ini adalah bentuk lampau, maka jawabannya juga lampau. Pada kata saw. Saw itu bentuk kedua dari see, saw, seen. Jadi ada 3 kata nih di sini. See bentuk pertama, saw bentuk kedua, dan seen adalah bentuk ketiga. See, saw, seen.
Yang verb 1, verb 2 itu ya?
Yes, verb 1, verb 2, and verb 3. Kalau saw berarti verb 2. Verb 2. Karena past tense itu menggunakan verb 2. What did you see at the zoo? I saw peacock or a peacock. It's like my questions yang seperti tadi saya tanyakan ke Mr. Furkon. Contoh, apa kita bisa pakai ke format atau konten yang lain atau konteks lainnya? Bisa. For example, what did you eat yesterday, Mr. Furkon?
Apa yang dia makan kemarin ya?
Yes, what did you eat yesterday?
I ate.
I ate
fried
good.
chicken.
I ate fried chicken. Good. What time did you go home yesterday?
What time did you go home yesterday? Jam berapa kamu pulang ke rumah ya?
Yes, kemarin.
Yesterday I go home.
I went home.
Yesterday I went home at 9 p.m.
At 9 p.m. Oke, jadi itu penggunaannya past tense ya, Mr. Furkon ya. Jadi Mr. Furkon kalau menanyakan sesuatu yang kemarin, maka Mr. Furkon pakai past tense. Pakai yang ini. Oke, now let's move to the next slide. Oke, let's practice. I will ask you, Mr. Furkon nanti yang menjawab ini ya. Kalau jumlahnya lebih dari 1, Mr. Furkon bisa sebut 2 kangaroos atau kangaroos saja. What did you see at the zoo? I saw peacocks. I will ask you question number 1. What did you see at the zoo?
I saw two kangaroos.
2 kangaroos. Good. Number 2. What did you see at the zoo?
I saw 3 crocodiles.
Good. What did you see at the zoo?
I saw 2 elephants.
And then what did you see at the zoo?
I saw 2 tigers.
What did you see at the zoo?
I saw 3 zebras.
And what did you see at the zoo?
I saw 2 pandas.
Oh, it's not panda. It's a bear. Bear.
I saw 2 bears.
Bear. Beruang.
I saw 3 pitons.
Pitons. Good. What did you see at the zoo?
I saw 3 peacocks.
Good. Number 9.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I saw 7 gorillas.
Good. What about this?
I saw 2 pandas.
Well done. Now let's move to the next slide. Here is grammar. What can and then the noun of animal do? It can bear. Okay, for bear.
What is the meaning? Noun of animal. Kata dari
Noun of animal itu kata benda animal, atau Mr. Furkon fokus pada kata animal saja. Misalnya gini. We can and then the animal do. For example, what can
the peacock do?
the peacock do? Jadi kita sekarang belajar grammar yang menggunakan can. Kita menggunakan can, dan ini ada verb bear. Verb bear itu verb 1. Verb 1. Nah, jadi what can the peacock do? It can move beautifully. Jadi can di sini menanyakan ability, Mr. Furqan. Is to talk about ability. Ability itu to talk about kemampuan, ability. Apa yang bisa peacock lakukan? Jadi can di sini kan artinya bisa. Jadi ini untuk indikasi kemampuan. What can the peacock do? Jawabannya it can. It di sini kata ganti dari peacock. Kata ganti peacock. It can move beautifully. Setelah can, maka move-nya adalah verb 1, verb bear. Nah, jadi ini. It can move beautifully. Okay. Can we move to the next slide to have an exercise? Let's move here. Here is. I will ask you, what can the peacock do?
They can move beautifully.
Okay, now you can ask these questions to you and try to answer. Number 1.
What can the kangaroo do? What can the kangaroo do? Apa yang bisa dilakukan kangaroo? The kangaroo is jumping quickly.
No. Jawabannya harus menggunakan can. Karena Mr. Furqan tanya, what can the kangaroo do?
The kangaroo can jumping quickly.
Setelah can harus verb 1. Ini contohnya.
The
Kangurunya ada berapa? Kangurunya ada berapa? 2.
The kangaroo can.
They. Kalau 1 bisa diganti dengan it. Oke, coba. What can the kangaroo do? They can
jump. They can jump beautifully.
No.
Quickly.
Okay, repeat. Ulangi lagi. They can
jump quickly.
Good. Number 2. What can the gorilla do? What can the gorilla do?
What can the gorilla do? The gorilla can roar loudly.
Roar loudly. Good. Number 3. What can the python do?
What can the python do? The python can move quietly.
Good. Can move quietly. Okay, python can move quietly. Okay, now let's move to the next slide. Here is. Read and choose the suitable answer. Number 1. Where did you go yesterday?
Where did you go yesterday? I went to the zoo.
I went to the zoo. Okay. What did you see at the zoo?
What did you see at the zoo? I saw python.
I saw a python. Okay. Number 3. Did you see any gorillas?
Yes, I did.
Yes, I did. They roar.
The road use ed, right?
The roar use ed, yes. Because? Karena?
I don't know.
You don't know. Because it's past tense. Karena bentuk past tense. Verb 2. Verb 2. Verb kedua tadi kan ada yang ditambah ed, Mr. Furqan. Contoh misalnya. Kalau go tadi kan dia jadi apa? When. Seperti I went to the zoo. Tapi kalau misalnya walk itu dia akan ditambah ed. Umumnya. Jadi umumnya verb 2 itu ditambah ed. Umumnya. Kalau tidak ditambah ed berarti dia mengalami perubahan. Nah, Mr. Furkon cara menghafalkannya dihafalkan yang mengalami perubahan bentuk. Seperti go, dia jadi when, nah itu mengalami perubahan bentuk. Nanti kalau di apa? Kalau yang dihafalkan yang mengalami perubahan bentuk, misalnya ketemu kata yang tidak ada di hafalan yang perubahan bentuk, maka tinggal tambah ed. Karena umumnya hanya ditambah ed saja. Oke.
How to pronunciation? Bagaimana cara pengucapannya?
Roar. Roar.
Roll?
Ya,
Sama
roar. Ya, roar. Ed-nya tidak usah ditekankan roar gitu, enggak usah. Roar.
Road.
Ya, roar. Jadi di ed-nya hanya dikecilkan saja. Road. Kayak walk. Walk itu kan jalan. Walk. Kalau ada d-nya itu gitu. Walk. Walk. Nah, itu. Okay. Road. Okay. Now let's move to the next slide. Here is write a complete conversations. Now, Mr. Furkon, you have to write this. For example, what you see, Zoo.
What can you see?
Ini kalimatannya what?
What can you see? It is Zoo ya.
What
can you see? Kita bisa kamu lihat. What can you see? It is Zoo.
Bukan what can you, tapi what did. What did?
What did you see at the zoo?
Zoo. Okay.
What did you see at the zoo? I saw a tiger.
I saw a tiger. Okay.
Is it true?
Yes, you are true. You are right.
What tiger can do? What can the tiger do? Yeah. What can the tiger do?
Okay, what can the tiger do?
The tiger do? It roll. It rolled loudly.
No.
Oh, yeah. The tiger can roll loudly.
No. Karena tigernya udah diganti it. Jadi Mr. Furkan tidak perlu menulis the tiger, langsung it. Yes, okay, you are doing great. Only some little bit incorrect, Mr. Furkan. Jadi in the first sentence harus huruf kapital. In the first sentence harus huruf kapital. And whenever you write I, kapanpun Mr. Furkan menulis I, there will be always in capital letter. Jadi harus di capital letter. I itu harus capital letter. Jadi harus capital letter, mau di in the first sentence, in the second, in the middle, or in the last, itu harus capital letter. And then this one also, what-nya harus huruf besar, and it-nya, I-nya harus huruf besar. Okay, you are doing great. So now let's move to the next slide. Read and choose the correct answer.
Where was he last weekend? Di mana dia akhir pekan? He was at the zoo. Number 8.
Okay, good. What about number 2? What did you?
What did you see at the zoo? What did you see at the zoo? I saw peacock.
You saw peacock. Okay. And then number 3?
Number 2. What can the crocodile do? What can the crocodile do? It can move quietly.
It can move quietly. Good. Number 4?
Did you see any elephants? Did you see any elephants? Elephant? Yes, I did.
Yes, I did. Great. Okay, all of your answers are correct, Mr. Furkan. Now let's move to the next slide. Oh, it's safe to say goodbye anyway, and please remember to do your homework. Thank you so much. Oh, before I close, do you have a question, Mr. Furkan?
Okay, thank you so much, Mr. Joko.
Okay,
Is
no
there
questions?
is there any feedback for me? What should I do to improve? Kita harus saya tingkatkan.
Yes, what you want to improve. Okay, if I could give you any feedback, first of all, your English is actually good. You have a basic, English and basic knowledge about that. What you need to do, keep going practicing. Practice your speaking.
Practice.
First, practice your speaking.
How to practice
Second,
speaking?
second, add your vocabularies. Add your vocabularies.
The vocabulary.
Yes, I only suggest two things, vocabulary and practice speaking.
Okay.
Okay, hopefully it will help you, Mr. Furkon, because you actually have basic knowledge about English.
What is the meaning? Apa artinya itu?
You have such knowledge. Knowledge, knowledge. You know how to say something in English. You know how to say something in English. You understand about short vocabulary and short sentence in English. When I ask you something, you can answer my questions. And then you know verb 1, verb 2, and verb 3. You know present and also you know about past tense, which means you have knowledge. Jadi knowledge artinya pengetahuan. Yes.
Knowledge.
You have knowledge about it. How long have you been learning English? Berapa lama Mr. Furkan sudah belajar bahasa Inggris?
I think it's 6 bulan ya.
6 months. That's
6
good. Yes, 6 months. That's good. What you need to do practice more. Harus lebih banyak prakteknya.
Okay.
You know what you need. Jadi Mr. Furkan sudah tahu apa yang dibutuhkan. You know what is your weaknesses. Mr. Furkan sudah tahu di mana kelemahannya. Now it's your time to improve your weakness. To improve your strength. Jadi harus meningkatkan kekuatannya. Vocabulary and speaking practice. You can speak anything. Do not worry about making mistake. You can speak anything. For example, kalau dekat Mr. Furkon ada HP, bisa ngomong tentang HP. Dekat Mr. Furkon ada pensil, bisa ngomong tentang pensil. Okay? Alright. Okay.
Such as alone ya. Berbicara sendiri. Such as
Yes.
speak alone.
Yes, speak alone or speak by yourself is okay.
Speak
Or
by yourself.
you can try to practice in front of a mirror. Jadi bisa ngomong depan cermin, nanti bisa dicoba. And
Okay.
then you can try to speak. Try this. Saya kasih
Okay.
challenge. Saya kasih set challenge.
A minute speech. Beberapa menit kecepatan. Apa itu?
Tantangannya adalah berbicara 1 menit. A minute speech. Challenge-nya adalah berbicara 1 menit. Nggak boleh
Sekali.
lebih. Nggak boleh
Oh,
kurang.
oke.
Pokoknya nggak boleh lebih dari 1 menit. Nanti
Oke.
Mr. Furkon coba berbicara nggak lebih dari 1 menit. Kira-kira sudah bagus apa belum? Sudah pas atau belum? Kalau
Oke.
belum pas, nanti Mr. Furkon catat. Gimana yang kurangnya? Nanti diimprove, dilatih terus. Hanya 1
Oke.
menit. It's easy, right?
Oke.
Okay. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much, Mr. Furkon, for
Thank you
coming. Have
for
a good
you.
day and
Okay.
bye-bye. See you next time.
Okay. Have a goodbye.
You are currently the only